Hi guys, this is a quick video. It's something I've shown you before, but I'm going to show you a bit more in depth, and also the main reason I'm showing it is because I've got a new bit of kit, and it's this. This is the Logitech Reach, brand new to the market. It just came today, and I think it's good. Well, we'll find out, but it's great for top-down views. Previous I was using my phone in like a little weird gooseneck grip, but now it's above my head. And it looks a lot better. It's not in the wheel as I'm trying to record. So I'll just show you these books, and again, you'll have seen these books before, but the main reason I'm showing you them again is I want to test my camera. It's got a built-in mic. It's 1080 whatever recording. It's not 4K, which was a criticism. Anyway, enough of the camera. The first three books I'm going to show you are examples of lined paper pads. Now I don't make these anymore because there are a load of them on the market, and you know, it's a great place to start because you learn out about creating books and uploading and designing covers and things like that. But you know, I've said before, my weakness is in the whole the metadata and the back office sort of stuff. So keywords and stuff like that, I'm still learning. You know, so if you are good with keywords and stuff like that, you'll probably do well with these. I do not do well with them. They're all basic, the same interior, just lined pages. This one's cut very, very poorly. You can see there's no deep top line in there, unlike here. I can't remember whether I made these myself or whether I downloaded them as a template. So they're easy to make, but there are templates out there. It's just the covers really that are different. These three are all Day of the Dead sort of themed, which I do like. This one, the green one, I think I've got a pink one and a white one. This one's just basic guitars. That's me Los Cuatro Amigos. I just found this foursome of skulls, and I thought that looks canny, so I use that as branding for these books. You know, I might have sold one or two of them. I've not sold a lot, but these were the first books I made. I do like the colour. You know, these are matte finish, so they feel a bit I don't know, smooth but textured, not glossy. But I do like the look of those actually. Would I buy them? I don't know. I know this is the camera's like freaking out as things move towards it. I'll get used to it. I've not really looked through the instructions or anything. I'm just pointing and playing. So this is a Day of the Dead planner. So similar theme to that. Cuatro Amigos. It's, in fact, I think, is it the same? Is it to go? Yeah. So it's the exact same cover as this one here, but I've added Day to Day of the Dead planner. See, Day to Day planner, Day of the Dead. I was being clever, so I thought. This is an undated planner. I've not looked in it for ages, so I can't even remember what it looks like. It won't be very good. Again, this could have been from just a download, or I could have created it myself using Serif Page Plus, which is the forerunner to the Affinity Suite. So it's just a double page spread, and I think I did make this myself. I've got little skulls on the bottom, which you can't really see very well. Because this is a new camera though, I should technically be able to. It'll just take a while to focus in. So there's a little skull motif there. You get a blank month, goal for the week. I apologise for that noise, there's been a lot of police activity in the area. And then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Not a lot of room to write in. I'm not a fan of these undated planners, to be honest. And neither is Public. I don't think a single one of those sold. again, this is matte, and you can see I've just had a shower, so my hands are a bit warm, and it leaves little sticky fingerprints. I'll not show you those two yet. This is another early planner that I made. Oh, silly me, there's another notepad. This was, I've got a load of these little characters designed. I paid someone on Fiverr to create them for us, for a card game, which I haven't created. Here's another Day of the Dead themed planner. It's the exact same interior, which is what I do now, to be honest. My interiors have all got my planners, sorry, have all got the same interiors. Just change the cover. Sometimes if I'm feeling adventurous, I'll add little different motifs. So this one's got cats. I combined two niches there, Day of the Dead and cats. Again, if more than 5 have sold, I'll be very surprised. Now this book and a book similar to it, but in a bigger format, A4, sell really well. These are also the first books I made, and this is why I got into KDP, because I wanted, if you don't know already, I do stand-up comedy and I write comedy for a couple of radio shows, and I wanted something like this where it's a kind of like a guided or structured place to write your jokes. And this is it. It's a repeating 2-page spread. This is for writing jokes from newspapers. This one's pocket size, even though you've got to have pretty big pockets. There's also a bigger version. And this is just all basic font crap. That's an instruction on how to write, how to use it, how to write jokes. In fact, if you want a surefire way of writing jokes, read that and fill this book in. So these and the brother book, which is the bigger version, which is what I made first, sell very well. Well for me. Which again is a few copies a month, not loads. This is a big book. It's 100 Days Guided Journal. I kind of like the cover in a way. There's a compass there. The font could be a bit better, but I like the cover really. Maybe needs to be budged across to the right hand side. But this is a sober journey guided journal. I didn't want to have anything to do with the substance abuse on the front cover, but obviously it's in there. And this is just a few prompts that you fill out every day. So the first bit of the book's the same, and then you have a weekly reflection, and then I think you have like a halfway through reflection as well, and at the end is there a summary. If there's not a summary at the end, there should be, and I think I may have corrected that. Come on, fingers. KDP used to be printed in Poland for the UK. Now it's printed in Great Britain. Oh yes, 100-day reflection there. So again, I've not sold many of these. This is a gratitude journal for kids. It says on the front. Double-page spread. Loads of prompts for kids, bits to colour in. It's a fun book. Cover's a bit rubbish. Cover's a lot rubbish. I have sold some in this form, but not very many. So I redid it when my design skills got a bit better. This is the new version. This is in matte, this is in gloss. Printed in Great Britain. This is a colour version because Amazon KDP brought out the standard colour, which is a lot cheaper than full colour. So this is it. Colourful little book. There's still bits to colour in, and the prompts are still the same. I had to change the monsters a bit because this was done in Page Plus, this was done in Affinity, and I couldn't get these images off the original file. In fact, to be honest, I might have even lost the original file. So some of the monsters are the same, some are different. I also made a cheaper black and white version. Some colour highlights on the cover just to show you that it's designed to be coloured in completely. Two more books to show you. This one is a prayer journal. Again, I like the look of this. I have sold some of these. Where was it printed? Again, Poland, so this is one of the early ones that I made. A lovely bit of font work. And again, this is just repeated double page. So there's prompts, giving thanks, asking for help, suitable, relevant Bible quotes. Just repeated throughout the book. Again, simple to make, and I did that in serif again, would have been an early one. Now this is the last book. This is the one that I put a bit more effort into, but I also used AI. So this is, as you can see, 5 minutes to self-improvement, a guided journal for self-improvement, self-discovery and self-love. That was an AI subtitle. That's an AI image. I wanted a tree and a mountain and things like that. That's what it made, which I'm very happy with. That's not sounding very well. And then I asked ChatGPT to give me some quotes, and then I researched the quotes, make sure it was correct. I got ChatGPT to help me write this. Again, I read over it all and changed it, made it sound more human. And again, this is just very simply, there's a date there, you set your goals, problem solving, and there's in the bottom of each double page spread, there's a little bit of advice. Set realistic expectations, take responsibility for your actions. And these are made with ChatGPT. I ask for inspirational quotes or advice, but I also set them up as a meal merge or a data merge. So I've got these pages and put all these into a spreadsheet and just hit create. And it put the font, it positioned them. It's all the same. I did put in, again, I put like a reflection in the middle, I think. I put a reflection in the middle, but I don't put it at the end, which was very silly. Anyhow, so halfway through this, there's a thing where you reassess how you've done. Oh, maybe there isn't. Anyway, that's the video. It's a bit longer than I wanted, and I'm not going to edit it down, so you'll have sniffs, you'll have police helicopters, you'll have me breathing. I just wanted to show you these books, but also test out this new camera and microphone. So, thanks for watching, and I shall see you next time.